ask you.
I just said you can ask me a question. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
You are Brittany Davis.
Mm-hmm.
Please say yes or no.
Yes.
And we are 3 seconds in and already spiraling. This is what courtroom veterans call a bad start. Notice the tone right away. Confusion, defensiveness, and zero alignment with the judge. In court, tone matters just as much as facts. First impressions, they stick.
And Ms. Davis, this is your initial appearance in cause number 25, DCCR 1450. You're charged with the second-degree felony offense of assault on a peace officer from May 19th of 2025. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer?
It's been worked out.
What's been worked out?
I had to reveal my details with you as far as how I'm going to proceed, because I don't know if I think I'm going to represent myself. I don't have my lawyer do it.
Okay, well, that's two very different things.
Yeah, I'm everywhere.
This is a huge legal fork in the road. Representing yourself in a felony case, especially assault on a peace officer, is extremely risky. That's not traffic court. That's prison time territory. And when she says, "I'm everywhere with it right now," that's exactly what judges don't want to hear. Courts look for stability, focus, preparedness. Do you think she truly understands what's at stake here?
What?
I'm everywhere with it.
Are you? So if so if I test you today, you can have anything in your system?
Of course.
Have a seat in the jury box. Happy New Year. Ma'am, you need to not say a single word while you're sitting over there. It's just going to make things... Listen to me. Because I have that right to test anybody that walks into court, and I feel like with your behavior, I need to do that. So I need you to sit there. Your bond can be raised just for being disrespectful in court. So my suggestion...
Wait, of course. That level of honesty is almost disarming. But legally, it opens a door. When you're out on bond, you're under court supervision. Judges can impose conditions, including drug testing, even if the original charge isn't drug-related. And once she admits it, the judge now has reasonable cause to dig deeper.
Suggestion is you don't say another word until we get the drug test, and then we'll see what we do from there. Ms. Davis, when's the last time you smoked marijuana?
Probably like 2 weeks ago.
Yeah?
I waiting to get my medicine.
What does smoking marijuana have to do with getting your medicine?
Well, I mean, I self-medicated myself because I don't have any medicine. So I was smoking to keep me
What medicine? What medicine do you need?
Adderall, Buzzcrone, Promax.
What doctor are you going to?
Dr.
Let's pause here. This is judicial discretion in action. A bond isn't a free pass. It's conditional freedom. And disrespect in court, that can absolutely impact bond status. Judges are assessing not just legality, but compliance. The energy in this room just shifted. She's one misstep away from going back to jail.
Spell it.
Ian?
Uh-huh.
I don't know.
You don't know how to spell it?
No, I don't.
Where is
He's
he?
on Baptist.
He's at Baptist Hospital? Or
He's on the side. At the end. Like Dr. Kindergarten. He's not too far from Dr.
Okay.
But he a new doctor. I was going to Dr. Kindergarten.
Okay. When's the last time you saw Dr. Ian?
I see Dr. Ian today at 2.
Okay. So here's what I'm going to do, Ms. Davis. Couple of things. One, I'm going to reset your case for 2 weeks instead of 30 days. I'm going to order that you wear a drug patch. You have 24 hours to go get a drug patch on. Your bondsman can tell you where to get that. So between today and tomorrow, you got to have a drug patch on your arm. You get them changed every 2 weeks. I'm going to assume that this first one is probably still going to be positive for marijuana. But the drug patch gives me quantities, not just positive or negative. So it's going to show me that it's either going up or down or staying the same. If it's not going down every 2 weeks, the amount in your system, then I'm going to assume you're still using, and you're going to have your bond raised, and there'll be a warrant for your arrest, and you'll go back.
This is where credibility becomes critical. In court, specifics matter. Doctor names, spellings, appointment dates. When details get vague, judges get skeptical. And here's the bigger issue: self-medicating with marijuana, even if medical use exists somewhere, still violates bond conditions in many jurisdictions. The court isn't debating her symptoms, it's enforcing the law. Do you think she's helping or hurting her case right now?
Jill, you understand?
I have a question. Can I ask you a question?
Mm-hmm. Sure.
I can ask you a question.
I
What's
just
the
said
point
you
of
can
the,
ask me a question.
What's the point of the drug test? About a minute that I was smoking, and it's like I told you I'm without medicine. I'm disabled. So it's like.
So here's the thing. There are many people who have issues that don't use marijuana to self-medicate. So I'm ordering that you can't do that. And for me to be comfortable with you being out in the community, I'm going to make that a condition of your bond. It's a violation of the law to self-medicate with marijuana.
Okay.
So that's why I'm doing it, because it's illegal.
Okay.
And you made that choice to smoke marijuana while you had a felony pending. Okay, so.
I'm not. I don't have a. I haven't been prosecuted.
You're being prosecuted right now. You haven't been found guilty, but you're charged with a felony.
Right.
This right here is the philosophical clash. She's thinking confession equals resolution. The judge is thinking compliance equals supervision. The drug patch isn't about catching past behavior. It's about monitoring future behavior. And here's the legal takeaway. Bond conditions are preventative, not punitive. The court's goal is control and safety while the case is pending. Whether you agree or not, that's the framework.
And so you're on a bond, which means a bond is for certain things. It's to make sure that you show up to court. It's also to make sure that you and the community are safe and you're not violating the laws of the state of Texas, which you have done already while you're on bond. Typically, if somebody violates the laws while they're on bond, their bond is raised immediately and they go to jail. I'm not doing that today, but I am ordering that you have the drug patch. If I don't have proof that you have the drug patch, by tomorrow, there will be a warrant for your arrest. If I get a result from the drug patch, again, and it's higher or the same, there will be a warrant for your arrest. You cannot use any illegal substance. In addition to that, a condition of your bond is that you're not allowed to use any form, legal or not, of THC. So there's no trying to go get something that's going to still test positive, but it's legal in Delta 8 or 9 or all the things that whatever's out there. So you can't use anything that's going to test positive for it. You understand? You understand what I'm saying? I need you to answer yes or no so it's on the record.
Yes.
Thank you. So in the meantime, also, you need to try to hire a lawyer. And so your reset between now and 2 weeks, it's not a very long one, but I want to make sure you start attempting to hire a lawyer. If you get someone hired before the next court date, bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer and they'll tell you what to do, okay?
Yes.
If you're unable to hire a lawyer before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. Also, when you come back, please bring me proof of your visit with your doctor this afternoon, okay? So get something from your doctor from today's date when you come back so that I know that you're actually going, okay?
It depends on how much they're going to charge me. I don't have Medicaid.
But you have an appointment?
Yeah, I
Okay.
made that part, but I'm saying I don't have insurance. So
Okay.
I don't know what the charge is going to be. Like, this is my first time.
Perfect. That's fine. I understand that. But just to get something that says you
Okay.
were there. Okay. So if it doesn't work out and you can't see them, there are some other places you can go if you need something to get the help you need. If you talk to your bondsman, if you want to talk after court, somebody can let you know some other resources. Okay. All right. Step in front of the clerk. She's going to give you your reset notice.
It's actually